All right, check this. Astronomers have discovered the farthest star ever seen to date. A super hot, super bright giant that formed nearly 13 billion years ago at the dawn of the cosmos. Cosmos. An international team spotted it with observations by the Hubble Space Telescope. That's cool. Meteorologist Alex Forbes here now with a look at the new discovery.
Imagine if I told you we could show you a picture of what something looked like 12.8 billion years ago. Well, NASA scientists do that fairly frequently, and they just did it again with the discovery of the furthest star on record, Earendel. Current data indicate Earendel was more than 50 times the size of our sun and an estimated 1 million times brighter. We say was because what we see now was 12.8 billion years ago. And based on the speed of light, that's how long it took the light to reach our telescope in space, the Hubble telescope. Brian Welch is an astronomer, doctoral student at Johns Hopkins University, and the lead author of the study that discovered the new star.
We're seeing the star as it was about 12.8 billion years ago, which puts it about 900 million years after the Big Bang.
But this luminous blue star is long gone, so massive that it almost certainly exploded into bits just a few million years after emerging.
We have been working under the assumption that the light we're seeing is just from one massive star. And with that assumption, it works out that it would have to be at least 50 times the mass of the sun. So it's a really big, really massive star, which is not unheard of within the local universe.
The star is nicknamed after an Old English name which means morning star or rising light. The previous record holder, also a blue supergiant star spotted by the Hubble, formed 9.4 billion years ago. That's more than 4 billion years after the Big Bang. In both instances, astronomers used a technique known as gravitational lensing to magnify the minuscule starlight. Gravity from clusters of galaxies closer to us, in the foreground, serve as a lens to magnify smaller objects in the background. NASA's Hubble telescope and the European Space Agency's Webb telescope will take aim at the new star over the next year or so to determine its chemical makeup and the temperature of the star. Certainly an exciting time for astronomers. I'm Alex Forbes, 13 WMAZ News.
Glad there are people that understand that. I still can't really get the microwave working most days. Earendel's own supernova explosion would have taken out any smaller companion stars and orbiting planets.